Automatic transmissions are one of the most complicated components of today's vehicles. And the automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, that they rely on is a blend of base oil, additives, and friction modifiers that make up a specifically engineered fluid for each different type of transmission. Inside an automatic transmission, ATF performs several critical functions, including lubrication, valve operation, temperature regulation, shift quality, corrosion resistance, cleaning, and seal conditioning. Different transmissions are designed to operate with specific shifting characteristics based upon their application. And internally, the components that affect this directly, including the clutches, bands, sprags, roller, and one-way clutches, are all dependent on a specific coefficient of friction, which is engineered into an ATF lubricant. Using the correct fluid for a vehicle's transmission is critical for proper operation, dependability, drivability, and ultimately its lifespan. The 5th generation Mercedes-Benz automatic transmission, the 7-speed or 7G Tronic, is known for its seamless gear changes and efficient power delivery with minimal energy loss. The 7G Tronic was first introduced in 2003, and as with all automatics, its operation relies on fluid that is formulated precisely for the requirements of this transmission. Red in color, Pentosin ATF 134 is an ultra-high performance fluid, OE approved for Mercedes-Benz specification 236.14, designed specifically for the 7G Tronic and earlier 5G Tronic transmissions. Pentosin ATF 134 is also backwards compatible with earlier Mercedes 4 and 5-speed transmissions requiring specification 236.12. Blue in color, Pentosin ATF 134 FE is a premium performance low viscosity ATF developed to further optimize the efficiency of the 7G Tronic Plus. This OE approved fluid is one of the lowest viscosity ATFs available globally, offering improved fuel economy and superior low temperature performance. However, Pentosin ATF 134 FE is not backward compatible with earlier Mercedes-Benz transmission fluids. 2013 saw the introduction of the Mercedes 9-speed 9G Tronic, delivering further improvements in efficiency and performance. Pentosin ATF 134 FE Plus, identifiable by its clear light amber color, is engineered specifically for this latest Mercedes transmission. Like ATF 134 FE, it is not backwards compatible. It is an extremely low viscosity fluid, offering extreme potential for fuel savings and very good low temperature properties. Also featuring low oil consumption and optimized friction coefficient stability for extended change intervals, Pentosin ATF 134 FE Plus is EV ready for Mercedes-Benz hybrid vehicles. Using the right ATF for your Mercedes-Benz isn't just a recommendation, it's a requirement for keeping the transmission operating as it was designed to. To avoid performance issues and premature damage, always follow the manufacturer's fluid specifications for your vehicle. To stay up to date on products from Pentosin and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.